Hello, I'm going to show you how to change the screen on a Nikon coolpix L22 camera. I would use this camera in order to show you how to change, but I can't. So webcam will have to do. I also don't have stand or anything special, so it's piles of books. Okay, there are 6 screws all to change. Use a Phillips screwdriver. There's 2 on the sides here. 3 on the bottom here. 1 next to the micro USB. And 2 next to the thing for sticking stuff like this onto it. Yeah. I lied at the beginning, there's 7 screws. The reason why I'm taking this apart is because I've just changed the screen for a new one, because the old one was cracked, but it's currently doing a white screen of death. Perhaps I should take batteries out first. Yeah, I'm taking the batteries out now. Best thing to do is to take the batteries out before you start doing anything, because that would be bad. Okay, open up this once you've taken all the screws out, and run your thumbnail along this edge here. Or, yeah, just to get some of the clips open. If you have the iPod opening tools, that should also do well, but they break like anything. Crap! Okay then, now that that thing here is removed, you can deal with the screen. It should be firmly fixed in here, but I didn't put it in very well. Oh, crap. You lift the screen up like that. It should be flatter, but meh. And then there's 4 screws here that you need to undo. There's one there, one there, one there, and one up here. 3 of them have got like black sticky things on. I've lost a black sticky thing. There. Try not to lose anything. Losing things is bad. Now those of you who are good at math should know that you should have 11 screws for silver ones and 7 black ones. Back to this new camera. There are white lines on the back here, which I assume mean fold here. And they go there. So that your screen is pointing up. You stick that in there. Yes. The definition on my webcam is not very good, so you cannot see the little prongs all along here. I would take it all along here. I'd take a picture of it with my 10 megapixel camera, but it's not working. Yeah. I think the reason why the white screen of death happened is because not all of these prongs are straight. Or it might be that blue... no, it's the prongs. Might also be because this is scrunched up. But I hope that's not my fault. So fold it along the white line. Stick it in. Hold there. Metal thing you stick on top. Black side facing inwards. Try to replace everything how you found it. I think I may as well check whether it's working or not. Yay! It's working! Yay! Now to take batteries out before I electrocute myself! Also, yay! So one way of fixing a white screen of death, as I so humbly name it. Crap, I've lost a screw. Is to not lose any screws, is to make sure that this orange thing here is flat and not all bendy and twisty. There you have it. A noob's guide to fixing your camera. The Nikon coolpix L22. I will have to take it apart as the... Yay! It turned on! I thought I'd lost the screw inside, which broke it. Okay. Thank you. Bye.